What's going on, guys? Bill Catches Pips here. Gonna do a market review for you guys, going over the dollar index, going over what happened with price this week. We can see, looking at these daily candles, we had really big ranges for the day. We had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday here, just huge ranges. Let's see, on Monday we opened up, came inside of this opening gap right here, came to it, started to drop. On Tuesday we just continued to drop, rolled over, going for this daily low right here. Right, for this daily low and this daily low, had a break of market structure right here on the lower time frame. We can see on Thursday it came back up with this wick inside of the gap again and started to drop once more. Gonna drop down to the 1 hour chart. You can see we opened up with this gap, this opening week gap right here. This is a very strong support and resistance right here. Right, Monday's trading, we can see we had a break of market structure right here. Right, we had a high, low, higher high. Price spoke down. You can see how it just retracing right here to this up close candle and started to continue to drop, filling in this gap right here. Right, we can see Tuesday, price continuing to roll over, going for this low and this low as a liquidity point. Then you can see the aggressive repricing right here. And this aggressive repricing was based on this gap right here. Right, you can see the market coming inside of this gap right here and going bullish, going for this high again, running out the liquidity for the week, and also coming for this daily gap right over here. Right. See, on Wednesday's trading, you can see during London, we came inside of this opening gap right here. Right, came to the opening gap here and continued to drop. Had a re-entry right here in this imbalance right here. Right, imbalance, low of this candle, high of this, imbalance, came right to it, started to drop. Let's scale down to a 15-minute chart, really scale in here of what happened. You can see this is Monday's trading. Right here we had a break of market structure right here, high, low, high, high, price spoke down, imbalance right here. You can see right here, market filled in that imbalance right here, then started to drop for Tuesday. Right, aiming for this low right here. And then obviously you can see how the banks really repriced right here at this what was it? This 1 hour gap right here. Right. Banks aggressively repriced right here and went bullish. Also on the daily as well, there was a daily gap. Yeah, look, there was a daily gap here too. This daily gap here tapped into the daily gap and then went bullish. Like the skip in price here. Right, and you can see Wednesday, looking at the 15-minute chart, you can see this opening week gap right here. You can see how the market just tapped into it right here, the high end of it as a re-entry, and then continued to drop. This was the optimal trade entry right here, how it just retraced here. We saw this impulse move down from this daily gap right here. I just tapped into this daily gap right here, this daily gap here, tapped into it here, lower time frame. You can see tapped it here, dropped aggressively, retraced to this opening week gap and continued to drop. Right, so my next objective would definitely be 1 hour imbalance. Yeah, right here. I can see this imbalance right here, this imbalance point. You can definitely see the market coming down right here and possibly going bullish. If you do have an aggressive repricing, price doesn't want to respect this imbalance right here, I'd go on the daily time frame and I would look at this imbalance right here. look at the complete fill of this imbalance, take out this daily low right here as a liquidity point, and then, you know, see what happens here. See what happens from that point on. You know, if I do see a sell, I would like to see a lower time frame break of market structure and trade based off that. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed my analysis on the dollar. If you guys want a more in-depth review of the dollar, just check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next review. See you guys later. Peace.